There's still some decent shelf ice over there.
Yeah.
Good. Oh my gosh, that's so good. Normal. Yeah, big one. That's gonna float away soon.
Oh, that is so cool. I wonder if
Hello friends, welcome back to another episode of Chill Adventures. Well, as you saw by the first clip of this vlog, I was scraping ice off the inside of the van. It's still cold. It's not that cold though. There's not a lot of ice left, and I think the place that we're going, it could be ice-free on the beach. Today, however, is going to be more of an exploration. I think we're going to climb some sand dunes, big sand dunes of the Sleeping Bear, and we might even get up to a few more lesser seen beaches with some epic views. We just we came down this road. We weren't even gonna go here, but we came down this road and we saw that van, and it looks like they stayed here. So I believe that this is a van life spot. There isn't like an actual bathroom. There's like long drop toilets here, but we might make this our home tonight. I don't know for sure. We have a lot of exploring to do. It's only 8 o'clock in the morning. And we're pretty excited. We might surf tomorrow. Lake will definitely be thawed by this week. The first week that the lake has been thawed since winter, I'm going to start work. No worries. No worries. But yeah, kind of silly. Anyways, we're really excited about today. And we got some beautiful views. It looks like it's going to be a nice 2 days. A little chilly, but that's okay. And we're off. So we'll see you guys at our next stop.
the right time. Wherever you are heading, destruction is a fine line. In this classic wasteland, there's a heat you can't deny. I've seen many places, but this is our home in time. We unite, everything's blown to pieces. All this time love will be the winner. Right in time for you and me.
Oh, what an epic place. We're headed back now. We didn't go all the way down. There's 27 posts. It's probably like 3 miles from the parking lot to the lake. We went about 2/3 or a third of the way just to see the lake. We got a lot of stuff to do that we want to see today. But what an epic place. Like I said, I've never been here, and this is pretty freaking amazing. Yeah, we're just kind of seeing where things take us today. Beautiful weather, temperatures not blowing 800 miles an hour. So great.
Turn left onto Sleeping Bear Dunes Road.
Yeah, I don't even need my gloves on. All right, folks. So we're kind of in the shadow of like Pyramid Point over there. It's not actually Pyramid. That little point right there is not Pyramid Point. But I've surfed here before. I've also surfed at Vans Beach. I'm pretty sure we're gonna head up to Vans Beach next. This place is off of Bohemian Road. You have Sleeping Bear Dune right there, and then Pyramid Point, Kat just told me, is like cut. It's like back in there a little bit. But I've surfed off of that point. There's a road that will kind of take you farther down there. You can get closer to it, but you can see right here. It's just, the wind just started out of the south earlier this morning, and you can see the huge amount of water moving. It is so deep, just right out there. I don't know how good the camera can pick it up, but just off of this point, you can see it just gets so dark and the water is so deep. Yeah, hey babe, let's go down the beach a bit. But this is one of my favorite places in our entire state. The water is so clean. We're gonna head down there real quick and check out a little more of the point. It looks like a kind of like a sponge. Leland?
Leland on Lake Leelanau and Lake Michigan.
Welcome to Leland, Michigan, everybody. So we're in Leland, Michigan here at the fishing village, fishing town. There's got to be a way to kind of like
Down there, we can get down by the cheese shop.
Cool. So this is a cool spot. Dang. So clean. Look at that water. It is so clear. It's so clear. Oh. Let me see it, babe. That'd be a good one. Well, as promised, we're here at Vans Beach, and honestly, I don't know what happened between here and the last place we were at. Perhaps just the angle of the beach to the lake, but there is more waves, it's choppier. The water is coming from the wrong direction to surf here anyways, but I have surfed here once. It's pretty epic. That is crazy. I wonder if I put the camera through the glasses. Can you guys see it that way? The difference in color? It's insane. You might even be able to see it now. It just gets so deep out there. So deep.
I cannot believe this color. Ah! Oh,
Is that yours?
wish I had the camera. You gotta.
There's waves. If there wasn't ice, there'd be waves. They'll get out there and ride them. I bet the water on the other side of that shelf ice is like knee deep maybe, but look at all the floating ice. That is a rideable wave.
So much.
Oh man, you know what? Remember earlier when those were kind of sitting there? Those big icebergs?
Yeah.
I think they moved some. So there would totally be rideable waves right now if the shelf ice wasn't messing it up. That's a shame. We're back here at one of the first spots that we came this morning. I think we could stay here. Look at that one. Oh my
Wow.
gosh. I really want to put a wetsuit on. Those are rideable for sure. Well, so this is, I mean, we could surf here too. Think about that. I need to get one of these national park passes. Anyways, I think tomorrow we're going to try to find some waves so you guys can hold on to your hats for that. So beautiful. Look at that one.
My God. Oh my God, George.
I think it'll come out now.
Where'd the sun go? Keep going across the water.
Yeah. Here it comes. See you guys tomorrow. It's crazy.
I don't think there's enough contrast.
Oh, that's crazy.
God.
That's so crazy. Good morning, everybody, from Empire, Michigan. Excuse me. We had a great night here. We didn't get run off. The other van life guy left, and it was a great night. No wind. The lake looks beautiful. I tried to get the moon set on the lake. I don't know how well I had my phone and the GoPro, so we'll see. But we're gonna head to Frankfurt right now. I doubt that there's waves there, just with how the forecast is and what it's doing here. But we have about 150 miles between here and home might also have waves too. So we're pumped. Beautiful views. Unbelievable we didn't get run out of here, but it is March. Not a lot of hustle and bustle. I don't even think that there's park rangers really like making rounds right now. So I have to say, like, if we ever do this in the summertime, we're gonna have to get one of these. This is a United States park or something like that. So we're gonna have to get one of those, which is all good, you know. Anyways, we're off. Let's go. So our plan is, there's shelf ice everywhere, and we're not going to be able to get in and surf. There really isn't waves, but Catherine here had a wonderful idea. Birdqueef has ice at the shore, but I think we can walk out on the pier and get on the paddle boards and paddle around a bit, and that will be epic. We're gonna take a little mosey around, find a good place to park, then we're gonna walk out on the pier and we will show you guys what we are looking at. But I think that's the plan. We want to get in the water. There's not a surfing possibility today. Even if there was no shelf ice, I don't know if the waves would be big enough. Here's Birdqueef, lots of ice, but out there it's relatively calm.
Yeah, and I think we can cross that.
Yeah, so I think we're gonna walk out on the pier real quick and see what the haps is. We'll see you guys there. There's a biker coming. Oh! Oh my god. Cool, it didn't go down to the lake. for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.